Welcome to PraxiLabs, the AI-powered virtual labs platform that brings hands-on STEM learning to institutions everywhere. Trusted worldwide and accredited by STEM.org, PraxiLabs brings credibility and confidence to every classroom and institution. But PraxiLabs is more than just virtual simulations. Let's step inside and experience how it transforms the science learning experience. Imagine giving your students a real lab experience right from their laptops. With 3D simulations in biology, chemistry, and physics, it feels real without the risks or costs. Students learn differently. That's why each lab blends visuals, text, and interactive guidance to meet every learning style. No more waiting for results. PraxiLabs gives instant feedback, guiding students step by step and helping them improve as they go. And practice never has to stop. Students can repeat experiments as many times as they need until they truly master the concept. For advanced learners, there's flexibility too. They can skip ahead and focus only where they need practice. And when it's time to test knowledge, instructors can switch to exam mode, removing hints and turning practice into assessment. For beginners, every experiment comes with clear, step-by-step tutorials, so no one feels left behind. And then there's Auxi, your AI lab mate. Always there, always ready, answering questions, giving feedback, and keeping students engaged. And if a student ever pauses too long, PraxiLabs steps in with helpful hints, making sure learning never stops. But PraxiLabs isn't just about running labs, it's a complete teaching engine. With AI-powered analytics, raw data becomes meaningful insights, helping educators see more clearly and act faster. Generate reports instantly at the student, experiment, or course level. Spot problems before they grow. Predictive analytics uncovers hidden patterns, flags struggling students, and highlights tricky experiments. Auxi isn't just for students, it's your teaching co-pilot. Ask complex questions, get instant answers right from your dashboard. Planning your curriculum? Auxi recommends the right experiments aligned to your curriculum goals. Go beyond experiments with multimedia resources, manuals, and enrichment content. Walkthrough videos, enrichment documents, lab manuals, and animated videos. Everything students need to dive deeper. Save time with automated grading. Scores are calculated instantly and sent directly to your LMS. Streamline assessment with a fully integrated question bank. And with the mobile app, students can learn anytime, anywhere, even offline. All of this on a smooth, user-friendly platform that's easy for everyone to use. Because we solve the everyday challenges that universities and schools face, PraxiLabs continues to be the trusted choice worldwide. No more expensive lab equipment and materials. PraxiLabs cuts costs while providing high-quality learning experience. It works on any device with an internet connection. No extra hardware, no hassle. Integration is simple. In less than 24 hours, connect PraxiLabs to your LMS using LTI, SSO, or APIs. Need a specific experiment? Our team can tailor any experiment to fit your curriculum perfectly. And whenever you need us, we're here. Training, customer care, and technical support 24/7. PraxiLabs is available in English and Arabic, making it accessible to more learners. No LMS? No problem. Our built-in dashboard lets you track progress, manage labs, and run exams. Join leading institutions worldwide. Start today and bring accredited AI-powered virtual labs to your students. Request institutional demo.